We made it to Belgium! How cool is this? We're spending the weekend in Belgium. Currently, we're in Brussels. Got out of the house a little bit later than we wanted. That's okay. We're stopping in Brussels. Oh, hold on. Run! I know. I went back around. I'm about to get some pizza. Yeah. We're getting pizza. Hopefully. So we had a quick change of plans after the first place we went to was completely booked and we didn't have a reservation, but we tried out this other little place, which was really cute. It felt kind of like home cooking. Our bellies are full, we've used the bathroom, and we're ready to get back on the road and get to our hotel. Good morning from Brugge. I thought we were late for the waffle thing. Turns out we are early. The town is so cute, literally like right outside our doors, like this whole little marketplace. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. We're about to start our first activity, which is this waffle making class. So, sounds perfect, making waffles in Belgium. Little coffee shop is cute. A way to get out of the cold because it is chilly. It's a little chilly. No, it's not. I keep wanting it to be warm, so I just want a little bit on the warmer side, but it is definitely not any types of warm. It's so sunny outside. I know the clouds are coming in, but hopefully by the time we're done with this class. How long is this class?
I think it's an hour. Okay.
Cool.
I think it's 90 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, just ready to get inside and get some food in me. I don't really feel that well. I got a little headache and my sinuses and allergies or whatever it is acting up, but hoping something in my belly will help. excited? Yeah. How about you, Maya? You excited? Yeah.
I'm excited.
We have 10. Yeah. You can pour this whole first one.
Oh, no, I will just do the first one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So like this. So you pour like 80%. Like this. Right? Yeah.
I don't want it.
We have 2 irons downstairs. We made 10. Oh, these are. It's done? Yes, it's done. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, if you like more strawberries, please let me know.
Making a little pit stop in a gift shop. We went to Luxembourg last week and didn't get a souvenir. Let me see it again. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi. Oh, I was right. Excusez-moi. See? No, it's not German, it's French. I was right. cool. They're really cool umbrellas. They're rainbow. This has been like a really good day. A little unexpected.
Hey,
Show them off. Show them
it's a
off.
rainbow.
Yeah.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast.
We are now walking back to our hotel. We had a, how would you call it, Maya? Dinner was pretty okay. You didn't really have dinner though, because you said you were full. But it was cute. It was a little Greek Mediterranean spot. Had some good wine, some good vibes. Yeah, it is like raining.
Yeah.
I feel like it hasn't let up since this afternoon. It is what it is. It's so beautiful. Like, it's still like, where are you? Like, you're still in this really cool historic area. Like, how dope is that? That's how it feels. Can't complain, can't complain. This is our departure day. So we went and had lunch, and then we went back and we packed, and now we're gonna do just a little bit more walking around.
It was my plan.
Get some coffee.
Yep, it was Jay's plan. It was her idea. Get some coffee, get some spoons back.
And go to the candy store.
Yep.
I'm trying to find crystal candy
Okay.
because I really want it.
Okay. This way. Huh? You want to ride in there? Okay, let's see about coffee first. Go run around that thing over there. That monument.
Okay, go run around that thing.
Fast. slowly getting my spoons back. Huh? Yeah, you can. Oh my gosh, everybody wants something. But this is the end of our Belgium vlog. We are heading back home right now. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and see you next week. Bye.